Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Xcover 2, and I'll show you how to wipe cache. So to do it, we'll need to power off the phone. So hold the power key and select power off. Confirm it and wait for the device to shut off. And once it has, we're gonna hold volume up, power key and home button. So home, power and up. So let's do that. I try to somehow and right now we're on recovery mode, so what you want to do is use volume up and down keys to navigate, so down to go down, up to go up. And with that in mind, select wipe cache partition right here and confirm it with power key. As you can see, formatting cache wipe complete, and once it's complete you'll be taken back to the main recovery page with the reboot system now being selected. So you can automatically just tap power button and now the phone will reboot back into the normal Android system. So just give it a moment. So once the device is on, the process is fully complete and you can continue using your device. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.